Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Zombie Train. First, you'll want to launch the game from the Roblox platform and select a server. Once you're in, your primary goal is to survive waves of zombies while protecting your train. You'll need to quickly grasp the controls and the layout of the map to effectively contribute to your team's success. Get ready for some intense action and strategic gameplay. Protecting your train is crucial for victory. As zombies attack, your train will take damage, so gather resources like wood and metal to make repairs. You can also visit upgrade stations to purchase more powerful weapons, like a new shotgun or a faster-firing assault rifle, to fend off the hordes. Teamwork is key. Coordinate with your fellow players to build barricades and set up defensive perimeters around the train. Effective combat is essential for survival in Zombie Train. Always aim for headshots to deal maximum damage and conserve ammunition. The environment often provides helpful traps, such as explosive barrels or electric fences, which you can activate to clear large groups of zombies. Remember to stay mobile and avoid getting cornered by the undead. Keeping a safe distance and knowing when to retreat are vital skills for every player. Teamwork is the backbone of success in Roblox Zombie Train. Use the in-game chat to communicate strategies and warn teammates about incoming threats. Sharing valuable resources, like health packs or ammunition, ensures everyone stays in the fight longer. Beyond just surviving, you'll often have specific mission objectives to complete, such as activating generators or rescuing survivors. Working together on these tasks will lead your team to victory against the relentless zombie onslaught.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.